Yo, I made over $150 selling digital products, and today I want to show you exactly how I did it and how you can. So the best part is you don't need any inventory or special skills. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to start making commissions from digital products. This side hustle works for literally anyone, whether you have a 9 to 5 that doesn't quite cover the bills, or maybe you're a stay-at-home mom or a student looking for a way to bring in some extra cash without needing to work endless hours. If that sounds like you, trust me, you're not alone, because I have been there too and I know exactly how it feels. I currently work in 9 to 5, but I make extra income with this side hustle. Now, before I start, there are two sets of people who cannot make it in this video. People who think that any make money online opportunity is a scam, and people that make excuses because guess what, they don't believe in themselves that they can achieve anything in their life, so they are gonna also make an excuse to not watch this video to the end and miss out on the easy step-by-step process that can change their lives forever. If this is you, you need to change your mindset, because success is 80% mindset and 20% action. So how do you actually get started? I'm about to show you how easy it is to get digital products and sell them for commissions. Now, before we get into it, if you like videos like this, subscribe and also share to your friends that might need an opportunity like this. Now, first things first, there's this platform called Seller where you can get high demand digital products, ebooks, and online courses, and you can sell them as an affiliate. Isn't that amazing? Here's how you do it in 3 steps. You have to visit Seller. Go to Seller platform, that is affiliate.seller.com. Maybe you're passionate about personal development tech. You have to choose a niche basically and sign up as an affiliate. You register to promote the product. Seller gives you a unique link to track your sales. And thirdly, you promote the product, share that link on your social media, or you can use email marketing or Threads, which is what I use currently. You can use any social media platform to like share the link with people, or even WhatsApp to like share the link. You basically just need to learn some marketing skills, which I also had to learn actually. I got a course that taught me exactly everything I needed to know to be successful in this side hustle. Every time someone buys through my link, I make a commission, and that's how I've been able to make over $150. You can see it right here. I am mockupping. This is another website that you can also. This is all what is available in the course that I took. If you're interested in that same course that I took, what is stopping you from starting right now? Click the link in the description below to learn how to get started with this side hustle. You can also sell this course over and over again and start your own side hustle today. So yeah, thank you very much for watching to this point. If you have any questions, remember to comment and subscribe for more ways to make money online. This is my first video anyways, so see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah. Love you all.